Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to our Christmas centerpiece decorating guides. In this video, we will explore some amazing ideas to elevate your holiday table. Whether you are hosting a Christmas dinner, decorating for a festive party, or simply want to bring a touch of holiday magic into your home, the perfect centerpieces can really set the mood. Let's get started with some creative and beautiful centerpieces ideas, and be sure to stay until the end of our top tips to make your centerpieces the star of your Christmas decor. Christmas centerpieces come in all shapes and sizes, but they often draw some classic elements that symbolize the holiday. Think evergreen branches, pine cone candles, and ornaments. Traditional centerpieces often features a lush green base, like a garland of pine or holly. Adding candles to this base creates a warm and inviting glow, perfect for cozy Christmas dinner. If you are aiming for a timeless look, stick with the color plates or of deep green, red, and gold. For those who love a more rustic or nature-inspired look, creating a natural centerpiece is a wonderful option. You can gather items for your own backyard like pine branches, berries, or even ticks, and arrange them in a simple vase or along the center of your table, adding elements like cinnamon sticks and other things. Natural centerpieces offer a great way to bring the outdoor and giving your home a warm early holiday feel. Now, if you prefer more modern approach, you might want to try minimalist centerpieces. These often use slick geometric design and monochromatic color schemes like silver, white, and metal. Now, if you are prefer modern approach, you might want to a minimalist centerpieces. For those who love fresh flower centerpieces, in floral centerpieces can be a showstopper. You can use traditional flowers like pine settles and other things, lilies, rose. Pair these with green like other things, other flowers like berries, pine cones, some ornaments. A floral centerpieces adds elegance and a fresh, fragrant touch to your holiday table. Now, don't worry if you want a budget. These there are plenty of ways to create stunning centerpieces without spending a lot. Try repurposing items you already have at home. For example, fill a glass bowl or a vase with ornaments. Wrap a stand of lights around it, and something like lights. You have a simple glowing centerpieces. Another idea to use moons enjoy with the tea lights or simple candles. One of the best way to make your centerpieces truly special is to personalize it. You would add family heirlooms or a keepsake ornaments, create custom place cards, or incorporate favorite holiday treats like gingerbread cookies or candy cans. And secondly, here are a few expert tips for creating the perfect Christmas centerpieces. Think about height. Make sure your Christmas isn't so tall that it block conversation across the table. Keep it low enough to allow guests to chat comfortably. Add layers and structures. Combine different materials like wood, metal, glass, and natural elements to add visual interest and depth to your centerpieces. And stick to a theme, whether it's a traditional, modern, or stick. Keep your centerpieces cohesive by choosing a theme and sticky with it. This will give it a polished and thoughtful look. Incorporate lighting, whether it's candle, fairy lights, or a battery powered LED lights. Adding a touch of warm lighting on your centerpiece, it can really enhance the festive ambiance. Don't overcrowd your table. Your centerpieces should be a focal point, but make sure it leaves room for food, drinks, and play sittings. Simplicity is key. especially if your table is small or you have a lot of guests. So viewers, thank you so much for watching. We hope these ideas and tips have inspired you to create your own stunning Christmas centerpieces this holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more holiday decoration tips and DIY projects. Wishing you and your loved ones a magical and memorable Christmas, and thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care, love, guys.